Congratulations on your purchase of FlexShade ZIP Motorized Shades by Draper Incorporated. This video will cover site preparation for proper installation of your shade. Please watch the entire video carefully before beginning this part of the installation. You can download a more detailed PDF version of these instructions at draperinc.com. Warning: improper installation and use of the FlexShade ZIP product can result in serious injury or death. Primarily, injuries can occur if the unit falls due to imprecise installation, mishandling of the unit during installation, or installation on an insufficient wall or ceiling structure. Please use extreme care. Draper recommends installation be performed by experienced and qualified installers. Draper is not responsible for improper installation, application, testing, or workmanship related to the product at the place of installation. If you have any problems installing, servicing, or operating your FlexShade ZIP Motorized Shade, contact your dealer or call Draper Inc. at 765-987-7999. Tools required for installation include a pencil, power drill, level, tape measure, 3mm hex wrench, and appropriate weight-bearing fastening screws. Before beginning installation, look for any site conditions that could interfere with the installation or operation of the shade. Be sure to inspect all items prior to assembly. To do so, open cartons lengthwise and lay out all the pieces. Make sure you have received the proper FlexShade ZIP components and parts by comparing your items with page 1 of the printed or digital PDF instructions. To prepare the site for installation, first make sure the mounting surface is strong enough to bear the weight of the full FlexShade ZIP assembly. It is the responsibility of the installer to use appropriate fasteners for the mounting surface. Next, verify that the unit measurements match the product purchase order and that the shade will fit in the designated installation location. A note on site measurements: the FlexShade ZIP Hem bar does not retract into the headbox. You will need to account for this if you're mounting the shade over a swinging window or door. Mounting brackets must be installed level with one another, and there must be a gap of 1 3/4 inch, or 45mm, between the end cap and the edge of the mounting bracket. Use your pencil to mark the mounting surface and then drill small starter holes. You are now ready to mount the headbox either directly to the surface or via cassette brackets. If you need further assistance, please contact your dealer or call Draper Inc. at 765-987-7999.